Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Nifty opened higher as expected because yesterday, after a long time, FIIs were net buyers. So the people thought the sentiment would change. And moreover, yesterday it was a broad based rally. So the rally expected to continue. But what happened was a slightly disappointment, we can say. The Nifty has not performed well. Bank Nifty has performed very well. Why the Bank Nifty has performed very well? I told you yesterday that people are expecting some kind of a rate cut. So there may be a 25 basis point rate cut we can expect on Friday. That is basically to revive the sentiment in stock market. So they are just doing some small things. So first that open market operations, RBI, then the budget, 12 lakh rupees, and now the RBI may cut rate by 25 basis point, So in fact, in the budget, the government has increased the target for the STT collection by a significant amount. So how can they collect more STT if the markets are doing very, very badly? So that is already an indication that if the markets are bad, the government is willing to do small things. In fact, I expected some big bang announcement in budget, but instead they choose to do many small things. So that is my view now actually. So we can expect some kind of a rate cut in RBI, 25 basis point. So that's why the banking stocks are good. But FMCG sector is a disappointment because in the budget, so they said nil tax up to 12 lakh rupees, and people thought it is actually good for FMCG sector. But now the people are saying that this budget is favorable to the people who are making from 7 lakh to 12 lakh. So that category people, 7 lakh to 12 lakh, may not be spending too much money on FMCG, or whatever they're spending, they will continue to spend. But that extra income will be going for some kind of a discretionary trading, discretionary products like movies, two-wheeler or low-end four-wheelers, So now that they say, anyway, FMCG valuation is so high, and today also, Asian Paints came out with results and that has come down today. Titan came out with results, also came under selling pressure. So Hindustan Unilever, ITC I think is coming out with results tomorrow. So all those stocks fell, so that was the drag in the Nifty. Otherwise, look at the broader market. Broader market has been doing extremely well. And because of this, as I told you, this STT collection, expectation is set by the government very high. The people are assuming that the stock market will be in a good condition, or at least it will not go to bad condition going forward. So with this expectation, all the stock market related stocks shot up like anything. Today, look at Nippon India Asset Management Company, shot up more than 8%. So all the AMCs shot up, then other stocks that are related to stock market like, CAMS, KFin Technologies. So all these stocks, like anywhere from 3 to 8% higher. So this is an indication that the stock market may be doing well going forward. And also I told you, as per my technical analysis, market is long, but the very next day, the market has fallen about 40 points, So now today, the Nifty is down, but not out. And that's because, other stocks have done extremely well. Even the broader market, even the advance decline ratio is also favoring the advances. Almost for every one stock fell, about 3 stocks went higher. So this may be today, one may be related to this Titan, Asian Paints results, right? And then moreover, while markets were trading, suddenly there was a news that China is planning to so let's take some action against Apple. So because of that, the US futures fell. So already the Google results were not good. US futures fell today morning. During the trading hours, Apple fell 3%. So that was having some kind of a negative effect. And also the main question, FIIs were net buyers yesterday. Will they buy today? No, they did not buy. And today they have sold for about 1,700 crores. No, that's not a big money, right? But still, in the month of January, they just bought only for one trading session. In February, again, only one trading session they bought. So we need to wait. So anyway, US markets are recovering slightly. In fact, GIFT Nifty also recovered about 50, 60 points. But then again, by seeing this FII data, it has come down. So anyway, tomorrow is expiry. Keep watching for today's high. For tomorrow, 23,800 something, right? People have sold 23,900 and 24,000 call options aggressively. 24,000 call, even at the time of closing, it was trading around 10 rupees. The put premiums have crashed like anything, right? Yesterday, I remember like 250 point on the downside. Put premium was 30 rupees and now it has come down to 10 rupees. But the call premium, 250 point away, it came down from 12 rupees to 10 rupees only. So the call premiums are still active, which means that people see that today, that the slight fall may be related to something else. But otherwise, broader markets are good, mid cap, small caps are good, advanced decline ratio is very good. So the people, if US markets recover, so tomorrow we can continue to move higher. So anyway, so this weekly expiry is going to be something respectable figure. 23,500 to 24,000 is my expectation. So let us see tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.